everyone, it's Louise with louisemckayart and welcome to my channel. And I am on a yo-yo kick. I made a couple already and I'm on my next. I've already made one of the sides. And before I get into that, I want to tell you that on the backs, you always tape the back off, or in this case I used liquid latex, which you paint on. And the jury's still out whether I prefer this to tape. The tape is harder to apply in the first place, but much easier to take off after resining. This is much easier to apply to begin with, and much more difficult to take off at the end. So I don't know which is better. I wish I had something that was easy to apply and easy to remove. So I have come across an adorable color palette for this yo-yo. I mean, I was blown away. You guys know I don't work with pinks too much, but man, this pink combination is killer. But before I get to the colors, let me go to the pillow. I got my Glidden 6011N. This is a fresh can. I decanted it a couple days. I actually ended up having to strain it because there were chunks in it. So I've already confirmed that this combination is working right off the bat for me, which is always great when I get an immediate good result. Stretch it out just a little bit. All right, everyone, I want to explain something real quick before we get into the next section. I'm basically going to show you two simultaneous yo-yo creations, one on each side of the screen, and you're going to be seeing the creation and hearing the creation as I speak from the left side of the screen. And I also want to point out, I have an announcement about the last giveaway, so stay tuned for that because we might be doing, well, we will be doing another one. Okay, back to the video, and you're going to see two screens before you as we go forward. All right, colors. This is Diytoys's Pink Tourmaline. And my pouring medium is my Infinity. I'll flash it up with my MinWax semi-gloss varnish. Adorable. This is adorable. This is Golden's Cobalt Turquoise, a color I mixed up the other day for a few other products, creations, and it never went right. But man, have I found a home for it here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, so cute. And my last color is DiytoysArt's Deep Magenta. I'm sorry, Artist's Loft Deep Magenta. Such a vibrant and cute combo. I mean, I'm loving this. This deep magenta makes that turquoise almost look like it's glowing. It's so cool. I don't know if you see that. All right, cell activator. My American cell activator, recipe 141. I'll link it above. This is, I did not put a name on it. Oh, this is Persian Rose by Amsterdam. Stir it up. And one drop will do it. That's plenty. Here we go. As I blow this out, I want to direct your attention to a video 419. I'm going to link above in the top right corner. It's called The Art of the Blow. I show in that video how to find your blow in the first place with a little trick, and how your speed and angle affect your composition and your blowout. And for yo-yos, I have to do it a little bit differently, and I'll talk about that in a minute. And here, especially for the new folks, all I'm doing is blowing on the cell activator a little bit to try to help it spread out a little more and help the paints that are underneath push through and develop those cute little cells that you're going to see here in a second. So if you're curious about how I have my spinner set up, I have a video 230. It's a 3-minute video that shows how I have my normal spinner set up. And for yo-yos, I add a 2-ounce cup on top of that for the yo-yos to sit on. It looks like I put a lot more turquoise in this one. And here all I'm doing is just continuing to blow it out and stretch it out a little bit just to get it to look more even across all the edges. Oh, that's so cute. All right, let's give this thing a whirl. The really cool thing is that, and I guess I should realize this, these two colors make purple. Yeah. So while I have a quiet moment here, I'd like to invite you to check out my description where I have a lot of information. I have links to some of the products I use and links to some of the more educational type tutorials if you want to check it out. I'll stretch it all the way out. Then I'll be scooping the drippings from the bottom. I'll get all the excess off the bottom. Not my normal blow, because on these guys, you cannot blow hard. If you try to blow hard like you've seen me, what you get is just pillow paint showing underneath, and it's not cool. Oh, he's so cute. All right, so I'm gonna pull the bottom underneath. I know you can't see me. And any excess paint and resin that will be on the bottom, I will end up sanding off so the yo-yo will have a nice smooth operation. I'm going to get as much off as I can off the bottom. And it's very hard because you don't want to, there's not enough room to really pull it under. I might eventually start painting the inside of these just to smooth over the color. I could talk about that later. Well, this one's pretty cute, but the other one is definitely the cutest. But here's one half of that hole. Here we go, folks. Look at that guy. All right, gonna put him to bed. Her. Hi everyone, you're not doing a double take. I am offering the same Amsterdam paints that I did in the last video on Friday. I simply couldn't close the loop between postage and the mail address on the person that was picked. So with that aside, we're going to redraw again. Now, if you entered last week, I'm going to keep your name in the hat for this week's drawing. If you're interested in these acrylic paints, please tell me in the comments you're interested. I need you to listen up here. I'm going to draw the winner 24 hours after this video airs. So by Tuesday evening, I'm going to have the winner selected. I'm going to reply to your comment if you won. I will let the winner know you won, and you'll need to email me your address so I can figure out postage. Now, while these giveaway products are free, I am asking that everybody pays postage and $1 for my time and effort. And you do need to be an active subscriber. So after I let the winner know, I'm going to say you've got 24 hours for us to button up postage and everything so I can get these off to you. And if you're hearing frustration in my voice, I am frustrated because all of these giveaways have been more work than they're worth for me. So if you entered interest, please be on the lookout the next evening for a response from me letting you know that you won. I really do want this to be fun for everybody, so help me help you get you into some free paints. Okay, everybody, I'm done with my rant. All right, everyone, here are the wet results of half of each of the yo-yos. I just thought I would share each of these, plus I had made a third one with this batch, so that's why you're seeing a third, and that was made with turquoise blue cell activator. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new here, I ask that you join me. Just subscribe, hit the bell, it's free. And everybody, please leave a comment and a thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm for YouTube. And here I'm just showing you the smooth operation. These things work like a champ. They're a lot of fun, and I do have these available for sale as well. These are great stocking stuffers, especially for the kids and grandkids. Introduce them to something that's a little more hands-on and tactile. Maybe they can get away from the cell phone or computer or other electronic device this season just for fun. And if you're interested in seeing a full tutorial where I even show you how I resin, it's video 501. I will link that above here. And like I stated, I do show you how to create your own, but if you do need me to make anything for you, I can work on commission, or anything I have available is for sale as well. I do have a website. It's in the description if you want to check it out. And here's the big news. I've just started doing in my home training with the bloom technique. So if you're interested in having a hands-on, one-on-one, or bring a friend, we'll all get together and have some fun here, maybe see a bear or two, come on over. I'm in Asheville, North Carolina. Reach out to me via email in the description, and we can get together and I can show you how I do what I do. So remember also, for the giveaway, you have 24 hours to get your comment that you're interested in the giveaway. I will get back to you asking for your address, and we'll work out the postage. And please make it easy on me, as it's been a challenge so far in one matter or another with the giveaways. So I think with all that said, I'm coming to the end of this tutorial. And again, I hope you enjoyed it. And that's all I have for now, everybody. Take care. Till next time.